Well, hello there. Decided to venture down to Frontenac Park this afternoon to see the progress on the boat launch. Kind of a foggy day out here today. So let's take a look and see what they have been working on these past few days. Okay, so let's get over here. They have removed all the old cement that were the pads from the old boat launch. And there's, you can see where that's smoothed out for the new laying of the boat launch pad. Here is the beginnings of a dock. And as we kind of go out that way, there you can see where the dock will be built. And if you're wondering what those tall poles are, so what they are for is the floating dock part. Somehow the floating dock goes out there and ties into those posts where they keep it stable. And that's what those are for. There is the second dock being started, and the third dock, and the fourth dock, and more of where the pads are going to go. And just scanning the back parking lot here to see kind of what they've been up to. There's all the old concrete from pulling out the pads of the old boat launch. So that's where we're at today. Oh, okay, over there in the corner I just noticed that some parts of the dock, that must be maybe the part of the floating dock out there that they've got in the corner. Not many geese down here today, a few. But there you have it. Bye.